Now, the price of Shiba Inu Coin has been pulling back over the last couple of days after testing about 1,800 points per coin. It's currently sitting between 12 and 1,300 points per coin, and nobody wants to see the price action move lower unless, of course, you haven't bought in yet, and then you're like, okay, just go a little lower, just go a little lower, just go a little lower, and then I'm finally going to buy in. I'm going to add more. I'm going to add more on this dip. But guys, we've been dipping for a very long time now, and anytime we see the price action move down, it's nowhere near as exciting as when it moves up. But we have to realize maintaining and forming levels of support is just as important, if not more important, than rising higher and breaking through levels of resistance. We have to be able to maintain these gains, especially if you're not equipped to just buy and sell and time trades perfectly, which is luck. I mean, if we're looking at trading versus investing, everybody, all of these whales that you see holding Ethereum or Shiba Inu coin, they got that way because they were willing to hold it. Not because they time trades perfectly. Not because they hit it every single trade and made 100%, 200% gains on every time they bought and sold. But because they were willing to hold. And you know, with that, I want to talk about some levels of support and some levels of resistance in this video. Because if we're going to be setting ourselves up for the long run, we have to have that long-term mentality. And therefore, this short-term price action, although it's not as important as longer-term price action, we still need to feel comfortable holding through it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And yes, you can choose Shiba Inu Coin if you would like. So make sure to check that out, especially on this little dip that we're on here. But guys, nonetheless, I want to jump right into this, and I want to talk about these levels of support and resistance, because there's not much going on in terms of new information surrounding the game, surrounding burns, surrounding Shibarium, and the ecosystem developers. They've been relatively quiet over the last couple of days. Everybody's always loud. Everybody likes to make noise when the stock price or when the coin price is moving higher. And of course, when it's moving lower, everybody kind of gets a little quiet and pull back a little bit as well. So that's what we're seeing right now with a lot of people on Twitter. It's just a little less action than we had a couple days ago. So let's talk about these support levels, because I do believe they will hold up, but they may be broken, okay? And let me talk about why they may be broken really quick. The cryptocurrency market had done very well over the last month or so, rallying on the Ethereum merge news and rallying on the fact that investors were just tired of things going down, and they were willing to buy. Shiba Inu Coin ran from about 800 points per coin, like I said, 1,800 points per coin. Bitcoin going from about 18,000 up to around 25,000. Ethereum at 1,000 up to $2,000. So we really had some nice 100% rallies in a lot of coins, and 50% rallies in some other coins. So nonetheless, we are pulling back right now. And I do believe that that is due to regulation concerns, is first and foremost, and in these cryptocurrency exchanges that continue to go bankrupt and basically steal customers' money along the way. So we are not out of the woods yet when it comes to crypto, and therefore, if we do end up seeing some sort of a decline in Bitcoin or some sort of a major regulation step in by the SEC or the US Treasury, we could absolutely see coin prices fall through these levels of support, and things would get a lot darker if we do see that. But nonetheless, barring any major catalyst like that, where do we hold up? Bitcoin is like a very good indicator of the overall market, and Bitcoin's currently sitting around $21,000 per coin. The good news is it has major support at levels like 20,000 and 19,000. I would believe that it would bounce off $19,000 per coin. But if it falls below, that's kind of the line in the sand that we're talking about here. And if it falls below that, it's going to be very hard pressed not to see prices like $15,000 and $12,000 per coin. That would be devastating for the crypto market and would in return, I guess, result in major declines in Shiba Inu Coin as well. Now, Shiba Inu Coin itself, it has been trading relatively, I guess, in correlation with Bitcoin and Ethereum in the overall market. So let's just make a couple assumptions here that it will continue on, and then we'll talk about some levels below this next level of support here. Sorry, but the next level of support's right where we're at right now, this 1,200 to 1,300 point per coin range, and it has held up as resistance on the way up over the last several months. So 12 to 1,300 points per coin can be very strong. Below that, 1,000 points per coin, nice even number. It is psychologically significant because it is that nice even number, and I do believe that's going to hold up. If not, we've got that 800 to 900 point per coin range that held as a bottom over really the last year or so. So it's very, it's very strong. Let's put it that way. It's got a very strong level of support. Shiba Inu Coin has a very strong level of support around that 8 to 9, maybe 1,000 point per coin mark. And I know that's a wide range too. That's roughly a 20% swing going from 800 to 1,000 points per coin there. So it is something to consider that they are still very volatile. And even if you're looking at Bitcoin, 18, 19,000 up to 21,000, you're still talking a 10 to 15% move. So nonetheless, cryptocurrency can still be volatile, but the support levels are there, and the support levels should most likely hold up. But guys, I do want to reiterate the fact that everybody's got this short-term mentality, myself included sometimes, right? I have to actively remind myself that investments are supposed to take place over the long term. Now, nobody wants that. Everybody wants 2021 for Shiba Inu Coin. Everybody wants to go in and buy a coin that you can only afford to buy 2 of them because that's all that's available, or $2 worth. Because if you bought $10 worth, you'd be buying the entire supply. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin went from being worth thousands of dollars to billions of dollars in 2021. That kind of action is, you're not able to replicate it. And if you want to make money in the crypto space, if you want to make money in the stock market, you need to have that longer term mentality. It's not fun to say, well, I wonder where it's going to be. I wonder where Shiba Inu Coin is going to be in 5 years. I wonder where Shiba Inu Coin is going to be in 10 years. And guys, the good news is, if it follows the trend that we've seen in the crypto space, the answer is up. It's going to be up. You're going to be making money. And unfortunately, I don't know how much. I don't know whether it's going to be millions of dollars or thousands of dollars or what the deal is. But nonetheless, the overwhelming long-term trend is up. And that's why you see so many whales in coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Because they were willing to buy long ago, 4, 5, 6 years ago. And they're still holding today. And because of it, they are multimillionaires. So guys, let's develop a long-term mentality. Let's develop this idea that we're going to be here no matter what, and we're going to hold our Shiba Inu coin no matter what. And even if we reach millionaire status tomorrow, 5, 10 years down the road, we might have $10 million worth of Shiba Inu coin, and then we are the whales. So guys, I want to know what you think. Down in the comments below, let me know your support levels. Let me know your resistance levels that you guys got on the chart. And then, of course, whether or not you're willing to hold for the long term. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You get 6 free stocks from Webull. You get a free Discord down in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.